So you might be having an issue where for some reason your Instagram stories are not loading up. Maybe you have an issue like this, or maybe you have an issue like one of these other people who've had many different issues online. Now, the way to actually go ahead and fix this specific issue is by going through and actually making sure, first of all, that you have an internet connection that you can use that is perfectly working. Meaning, are you connected to a Wi-Fi connection or are you connected to a data connection? If you're having Wi-Fi or internet connections in general, you're not going to be able to upload your stories. That is the first thing that usually happens and is usually the culprit. So make your way over to your settings. You want to make sure you see you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular or whatever. You may want to go ahead and make your way over to other applications too. You can open up your app store, and if you're not able to connect to the network, or if it tells you that you don't have an internet connection, well, that is the issue. So make sure you're connected to an internet connection, and that should end up fixing the issue. Now, if that doesn't fix it, you may just want to hop into Instagram just like this, and you may just want to hop out of it and go back into it and try it again. Sometimes, especially if you're switching accounts, that may be the issue. So that is another thing I'd recommend looking at as well, just hopping out of Instagram, removing it and going back into it. Now, another thing you can try doing on top of that is updating the Instagram application. So just make your way over to your app store just like so. You want to search up Instagram, very basically just like so. And you just want to go ahead and see if you can search for the Instagram app just like this. You want to open it up and you want to see if there's an update available. If there is an update, well, all you want to do now is just update to that specific version, and you should be good to go for the most part. Chances are that'll probably end up fixing it. And if it doesn't fix it, then this is where other websites like maybe like Down Detector, you can just search up like websites down track or something, and you can see if any of those things are working. So essentially, if you just type in like Down Detector, which is one of the websites I use, you can see if Instagram is actually down. So if Instagram is down, well then all you'll pretty much have to do is just wait until they fix their servers. If their servers are down, there's really nothing you can do unless you work at Instagram. Then you should hurry up and fix those servers, because chances are, just like on Snapchat, if they're down, they're going to get a massive spike just like this one up here. So usually if you see a spike like one of these two, well, that probably means Instagram's down and you're just going to have to wait until they fix it. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.